bitch. I don't know niggas that's rockin' like this. I just know niggas that's poppin' that shit till we pull up just spraying and poppin' this shit. Poppin' this whip, poppin' this hood, poppin' this bitch, poppin' this dread. Suffocate niggas don't know how to say it. Sophisticated or suffocate bitch. Baby shit, I'ma stun a little bit. You was my summer Louise, you crazy.
That's a nice size alternator. I just want to let you know that, alright?
RTR grill, but let's just say I got this for a very good price and it works, you know, just as good as the RTR grill.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Mr. Rock Up Johnson here with another video. I don't know how I messed it up after I've been saying it for so many years and I've said it so much. Anyway,
Scalp work tight, huh?
Yeah, you're right. You're right. It's about 86 degrees out here. He had to put on a long sleeve because the bugs were biting.
Because the mosquitoes.
Yeah, the mosquitoes is out. But we in the lab today. Got the FRS. The tune is still acting up, of course, because I haven't got it retuned yet. I almost fell. I just took the negative battery off, so that's the only thing that's going on with this car. But as you can see, we got some interesting shit with Lowe's car today. Putting on this RTR grill.
Yes.
This is nice, man.
RTR grill.
Now, is this authentic?
Now, for those who do know, and for those who don't know, this isn't the real RTR grill, okay? The real RTR grill costs $550. I'm not paying $550 for this. All right? So this is basically like an eBay, somebody else made it, but it's still, you know, good compared to the RTR grill. I've seen people with the real RTR grill and their lights, you know, go out. So that's just why I bought this one for $100. So I ain't spending that much, and eventually it might go bad, or it may even last longer than the RTR grill.
Where'd you get it from?
Who knows?
That's all.
So this company, they messaged me on IG. Shout out to Anderson Performance Parts. So they hooked me up with this grill right here for $100.
Dope.
You can't beat that.
Dope. I wasn't trying to be disrespectful, but yeah. I thought you got off the eBay or something like that. I was about to say, hey, with the eBay, because I got.
It's basically an eBay grill, so.
Yeah, so and eBay part, we're not strange to eBay parts because this cat back here, this 3-inch into 4.5-inch tip cat back is an eBay exhaust system that I got for $150.
We're not all into that brand name shit, man. We just go for
that.
functionality.
Exactly.
You see this hole right here? Function. I had to custom make this hole right here.
Right. Don't let anybody tell you different.
like this. Yeah, this ain't real.
He's lying. That's 100% real. Don't walk around with fake jewelry. I'm a snatch. I'm gonna call you out. That's saying no, but nah. But this will be a pretty dope install. By the way, he's also making a video, so I'm not gonna go too in detail in this video. Just so you guys can go and check his out. Honestly, if you haven't checked out Lowe's channel, make sure you do it. He's got literally everything with this build, everything that he wants to do with the car. You just uploaded a video about you quitting your full-time job.
Yeah. Quit my job.
That caught me off guard. I didn't even know about it until he uploaded the fucking video. And when I saw the time of thumbnail, I was like, what, nigga? Hey, yo, is this shit real? He was like, yo, watch the video.
The views going up on that thing, though.
I bet. You quit your job.
And I had another video before that when I was out in New Jersey. That's actually getting a lot of views, too. It's kind of crazy.
Oh, wow.
So,
do you have another job lined up yet? I'm just curious.
Yeah.
You do? All right, cool.
Yeah.
Are you working yet?
No.
No.
So, this whole month I just been on vacation for real.
Yeah, this is just a mini vacation for you, you know.
Long vacation, because after this month is over, I ain't gonna see me.
Yeah, he gonna be gone, y'all. Low not gonna really be in the videos, man. But yeah, I guess we go ahead and get started with it. By the way, real quick, I'm not trying to get cheesy on y'all, but just for however long this video is, let's just take this moment to just, enjoy life and everything, and, just think positive this entire time. Because we're going to be having fun this entire install. I mean, y'all know us. So let's just take a moment out the day while you're watching this to just, do whatever. What, you good?
Look at my head.
A bee flew in your hair?
Because I went like this and it said,
I don't have to worry about that because I'm bald. Alright, so in my video, you're going to get a 2 for the price of 1 because Lo just he just told me that he's actually going to do the Demon Eyes too. So the whole quick little backstory with that, Diode Dynamics, you were doing like some warranty stuff with like a bulb or something like that,
Well,
and they
yeah.
sent this out to you
Yeah,
instead
they
by
sent me
mistake.
this out by mistake, so hey.
So yeah,
Shout out to them. I mean, I don't know if they know. I don't know. So I just left it as that. I ain't say nothing, but hey.
yeah. So they sent them this, so we gonna put
And
on the
supposedly,
Demon Eye kit.
this was on back order, so for them to ship me this hella fast, like that's kind of crazy.
Huh.
Like I don't know how you messed that up, but.
Yep. I mean, you know.
And they say it's plug and play, so
Okay.
we don't have to open this up. It's just we stick it in the back of there, plug it in, then yeah. It
Okay.
works magic.
All right. Well, we'll figure that out. Since we all know, I don't know how to do electrical shit, but you know, plug and play. All right, let's try it. All right. So we just took the radiator cover off. We got these bolts here. There's nothing that I really wanted to like. Had no other reason to show y'all, but as you can see, we ain't hiding no lines anywhere. Anywhere. Ain't nobody on no nitrous. I just wanted to show this again. Cause I know that video done came out of him versus the SS by now.
Look at that, stock headers.
So stock headers, there we go. You still got the metal cover on it too. Gotta take them shits off, man. We might as well leave that off. That's weight reduction.
With my radiator?
The little no. Your headers. There's like a cover right there, right? Oh no,
Nah, that's the
no,
header.
it's not. That's just the header. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was. Whoops, that was my bad. All right, so hours later, we finally got the bumper off. It was a bitch. Watch it on Lowe's channel, but it was a bitch. But we did finally get it off. Mustang looks pretty cool with no.
Watch out.
Chill. Look at that. It's pretty cool with no bumper. Up there he goes, taking a picture for IG. We just want to see what this looks like. We're obviously not gonna do this, but it just looks like it got into an accident. It ain't got no bumper. Like it doesn't look cool. Not how I thought it would look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, if it had an intercooler right there, maybe.
Yeah, that would look that'd make it look a lot better. But all right, let's lift this bitch back up. What you think about it, Evan? What if Lo drove around like that?
Shit. Do a lot of things with this.
No, we can't. Stop lying. Oh, Evan right there, by the way. What's your Instagram?
Real_deal_Vander, man. Come follow me, man.
All right, should have popped up by now.
Evan, you high shit up. You were trying to talk to who? It's already popped.
No, he didn't.
She closed it all the way.
I appreciate it, man. You tried to pop the hood, but
Well,
it's.
Look, it's open.
But yeah, so I mean, what are we gonna do now?
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Yeah, sit to the car, baby.
Retired.
All right. So now we gotta work on getting this out.
All right, so we're not gonna do the Demon Eyes yet.
Nah, not yet.
All right,
We
cool.
do the grill first.
All right. Hi guys, I'm Kid Mr. Rockoff Johnson, and I have a stock S550 grill
$50.
for sale. Nope, $550 to commemorate the S550-ness of this Mustang, and it will also be autographed by us, which has no meaning whatsoever, and it probably decreases the value even more. So yeah. But for real though, it was a bitch getting this off. Like the way you gotta get the pins and pop it out. I had to use 2 flathead screwdriver. It was a lot, but we're about to fit this grill in there.
Yep.
So yeah. By the way, I didn't say this in my video. It's said in his. Lowe's right side is cut out, but let me see the left side. But the left is still together. That's because of the intake. This is the intake hole here. And what you want, of course, is air to come in here so that you can get it to the intake. Why? Because I mean, that's, if you know cars, that's simple shit. But it was covered. It came covered, so
Yeah, that's what you get with eBay parts.
yeah. So only thing Lo did was just cut it out. We'll go through with some sandpaper, something like that.
Yeah, I'm
later.
gonna sand it out. So yeah, don't.
Don't say nothing.
The wires from
Alright, so we got it on there and everything, but it looks like
Shit, I'm gonna do.
gotta do some wiring. I thought somebody was talking to me, but it looked like we gotta do some wiring. So I mean, that's what he's doing.
All right, so yeah, this. I might have to tap into some wires. I got these. Ground.
And those were provided, so.
So I'm gonna have to tap into. This is my. This one's my fault. I don't know. I'm about to reference some guys. So.
Right.
So.
Turn it back on for me. I missed it. Look at that, came right on. So, only thing he did was just take the red wire into the green one, and then he grounded it into the black one, right there. And that's the parking light.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the parking light. So that's all he had to do, and it wasn't anything big or crazy. By the way, I'm just doing this because the light's right there. But yeah. All right. So now while Lowe's putting the electrical tape on there, I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking this off. This is a 10mm bolt. So yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep going. As you can see, I already started it. So, all right. So, like I said, that one was a 10. There was one right here that was a 10, and then this bolt had to come out, and that was a 13. But yeah, we're almost done. Hi, Corinne. We're almost done. Taking. Well, actually, I can just take this out. Yeah, I can just take this out. Well, I'm gonna grab it with 2 hands, but we're gonna get that out. Keep going on with the demon eye. By the way, check out that video as well, because that's going to be a separate video on his channel. And like I said, it's going to be in way more detail than what I'm doing, because I want you guys to go check out my boy. Alright, so we just did a whole bunch of stuff, but you'll see it in Lowe's video. But basically got everything hooked up here. This is how it looks on the inside, and you got to hook all that up. Like I said, you'll see it in Lowe's video. We just tested to make sure everything works good, and it does. But now I'm about to start on this side while Lo is doing some research to see how to change the colors on the demon eye, because the whole thing works, but it's just lighting up regular, and we're just trying to figure out how to do the whole like different color thingy.
Okay, I have to hook up the Bluetooth controller.
Oh, it's a Bluetooth controller.
Yeah.
You hook up to. Oh, okay. Oh, well, that makes sense. Alright guys, so we're actually going to come back to this because as you can tell, we're losing light, and right now we're stumped because we need to like tap in all of these and wire those up. We still need to wire the ones over here, and yeah, we just don't have enough light. So we're just going to get back to this at a later time. But yeah, I mean, stay tuned for the video on Lowe's channel. We'll most likely just finish it on his channel. But yeah. It was still a pretty good day. Here, let me show you guys. Now that it's darker outside. Watch out, Lo. I'm turning on the lights. Let me show you guys. The RTR grill all lit up. That looks good, man. Once we get these demon eyes going, probably make the lights red. Because what lights up on them is that bulb. So that's gonna look great. But yeah, I mean, this is still a pretty productive day. Still got the grill switched out and everything, and we did get a lot of lighting and wiring done with the headlights. Yeah, it's pretty much gonna conclude it for this video. Merch link is in the description below. I'm not wearing it because I came straight from work and we started working on these. But yeah, I hope. Wow, I don't know how long this video is, but I hope that, you know, it brightened up you guys' day, you know, even a little bit, you know, just to get your mind off or anything like that. There's a lot of negative stuff in the world, and, you know, you just gotta figure out a way to, you know, cast it aside and just, you know, think as positive as you can. If somebody pissed you off or made you mad, don't let anybody take your joy, because then they have leverage over you. Never give anybody leverage. And yeah. As always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day. What is a car enthusiast? An individual that loves anything to do with cars and its counterparts, and one who can talk for hours about cars and not get tired of it.